miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just let me
out in your sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Alright y'all, I'm back with a review, but this review is a little different. We're gonna review a wig, but that ain't the main focus of the video. We're gonna review a product. So y'all know, when I'm on Instagram, like certain ads will pop up for certain things and I'm like, does it work or is that another gimmick? Okay, so we'll see. So when our good friends over there at Janet Collection offered to send us a few products that I actually saw on Instagram, I said, let's do it. They sent us the products and we're gonna review those. They also sent us a wig, okay? But the wig is not gonna be the purpose of this video. What they sent us over is these products, because I know y'all done seen them on Instagram. It's part of this Esha, I can never pronounce that, Daily Edge collection. That's what we're gonna call it. So it's a primer, it's a glueless wig spray, and it's a mousse that you can use to mold your hair or edges or baby hairs, okay? So these are the three that we're going to review. Now, they say lay it, slay it with Esha. They all say that, okay? So you're supposed to use the primer first, then after the primer, you know, that's really gonna make this glueless spray hold to your little bald head. And then the mousse is supposed to be used to lay your edges down, okay? Now, the interesting thing about this is I think that this would be great for those of you that especially like change your wigs out daily, you know, ain't got a little bit of edges, just a little. This might be for you. So the primer, and if you look in the description box, I'll put some direct links to where you can go and purchase this. The primer, it has a scent to a vanilla scent, and it says it's designed for all skin types. It's supposed to improve adhesion and protect your hairline. After that, you use the Daily Glueless Lace Spray. It says it's fast drying, it has a 24-hour hold, and it's safe on all skin as well. And then you have the mousse, and the mousse, it says it's foamy mousse, it tames frizz, defines curls, it's for all hair types. So we're gonna try all three of these products out, you guys, okay? The wig that I'm gonna use this on is also by Janet Collection. It's in the style Harmony, Harmony. It's 26 inches long. It comes with a 13x4 lace parting space, an adjustable band in the back, and it is human hair, okay? Pre-plucked, pre-customized natural hairline. Harmony is cute, okay? Before we jump into those products, y'all know I wanna show y'all the wig. And y'all know I keep it funky with you. This is my first time taking this wig out the packaging, and I will say, y'all, this is gorgeous. Ooh. Shut up. You know I like to take my time. Okay, I don't like to come on here with nothing done. Y'all, Harmony is pretty. And that's human hair. And I've actually been seeing this wig on sites as well. How pretty is that? Okay. As far as the cap construction, like I said, it's a 13x4 on the inside. You get those combs and you get that adjustable strap in the back. Harmony, very, very pretty. All right, y'all, we're gonna try out these products, okay? And then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Let's see if they hold like they say they will. Be right back. y'all, I've been slinging this head for the past, it's been about an hour. This wig ain't going anywhere. I almost said nowhere, but I'm trying to, trying to work on, being a little more professional. That's a damn lie, y'all. Go get this stuff. And y'all know me well. Why am I pointing this brush at y'all? Y'all know me well enough to know that if these products were trash that Janet Collection sent, I would tell you that they was trash. Y'all, these are bomb.com. Okay. The wig is also really nice. All right. So to review, we put on the primer and it said to let it dry until it's not tacky. That's key. It also said you were supposed to wipe your hair with alcohol wipe. I didn't do that. Then it said that you're supposed to spray the glue on there. And it says to do it in section because, it's kind of quick drying. And then this is supposed to, to be lay down your edges. Y'all, I squirted some up here because I was getting a little bit of humpage. And it did lay it down. Had I used this with a scarf, it would have laid it down more. To show you that I really, really do think that these products work, y'all, I promise I am going to try to incorporate them into my routine for a couple of reasons. One, y'all know half the time I barely had the combs in on these wigs. I literally could go to Walmart and it'd be sliding halfway off my head. With this, y'all, it was so easy, and I feel like this wig is secured on my doggone head. I really do. Y'all, I absolutely 1000% recommend that you go and pick these up. Okay, they are a bop. Okay, this wig is also nice. This is an example of a wig that most of y'all probably would have slept on, this Harmony. And y'all, this is absolutely beautiful. And it's human hair. Let me pull up my darn pants. Shut up. Yeah, shut up. That zipper supposed to be there. Okay, you see how this zipper screaming, holding on for life? My wig not. Go get these products. I think you should go get these products and this doggone wig, y'all. To show you how secure this wig on my head, I was going to film a few more wigs today, but I'm really feeling myself and how this wig feel. I'm probably going to keep this wig on, for a day or two. Period. I recommend them both. Janet Collection, thank you so much for sending all these products and Harmony. I think that all of them are absolutely gorgeous. Like I was telling y'all, maybe you're not even into wigs. Maybe it's your Auntie Janet. Maybe it's your Uncle Jeffrey. Whichever one, you put these products on their head, the wig gonna be secure, safe, not going nowhere. Unlike the zip on these pants. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon.